Hello guys, you are welcome back to this channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. If today's your first time, hello, my name is Becky. You are highly welcome to my channel. The reason why you've tried everything, you can't get rid of your tattoo, you really have to find out yourself. Okay, so I just got this remedy. I just got all this. I find out that you can use some of this remedy to get rid of your tattoo. Please follow the step by step, and I hope this will work for you. You can see it's organic, and get a real good potato, and I hope it will work for you. Please follow my instruction, and I hope this will work perfectly for your tattoo. Okay, and try to do skin patches, and go and watch my previous video about your tattoo. Okay, before using those remedies, follow my advice first. Go and watch my previous video, which I said the reason why you cannot get rid of your tattoo. Check your melanin and so on and so forth. Go and check the previous video before dive to this. Okay, check the previous video please. Okay, so we all know the benefits of lemon or lime contain bleaching property, and it's as well can get rid of the tattoo. And we need potato, and we're gonna use baking soda. So then we're going to be using this. Please guys, follow my instruction. We only need the liquid. We're going to be try to get water out of this. Okay, you need your glitter. You don't remove the skin of the potato because it contains a lot of vitamins, a lot of skin bleachings, and it's also good to get rid of any dark cells. Okay, we need the skin of the potato as well. You can also use food processor to blend, and we only need the water. Now, so we're going to be extract it very well. We need only the water coming out from this potato paste, potato mash. So guys, follow my instruction and let me know if this work for you. This work well for my armpits. Light up my armpits within 4 days. And the next step guys, we need lemon or lime. We need one tablespoon of lemon or lime. You need to shake your lemon or lime very well. All right, they all contain bleaching property, and consistency is the key. You really have to give yourself, if I'm going to use anything, I give myself a lot of time, at least 14 to 15 working days before I give it up. Okay, I use this within 4 days. I see changes, and my very dark armpits got lighter, which I'm going to make video. If you go watch my previous video, I think I show my armpits before and after, and I haven't made video of that. So we should concentrate how to remove this tattoo. So guys, and we need apple cider vinegar, the mother brand. All right guys, so we need, it's almost even gone. So you really need apple cider as well. You can't exclude that. So you need 1 tablespoon of it. All right, this is very good to remove any dark patch. I'm going to keep it in the fridge. I'm going to use it for my hair, armpit as well, and you can as well use it if you have any acne, any dark spots. So try this with your tattoo and let me know. And you need baking soda or baking powder. So guys, we need teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This is what is going to remove your tattoo. And some people put aloe vera. I'm going to go ahead and put aloe vera as well. All right, go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera. Okay, you can see yourself. So we are going to extract the water. That is only the thing you need. Just let me know what you think, guys. How do you make it? Does that work for you? So we just only like it. So consistency is the key. You apply it to where the tattoo, whatever you want to light. If it's your acne, if it's your sunburn, the armpit, you want to light up your armpit. If you have a bag eyes, if you have dark under your eyes, this will light it up. Okay. Sorry guys, I've not been upload video. Was so busy at work. But I have a daily job that I'm doing. I mean, I work as a full-time. So today I'm just off. I slept. I just say I need to make video. So guys, bear with me. I will definitely upload video, even though 2 to once in a week. I'll try my possible best. So I'm going to be apply this for my face, for my armpits, anywhere that you know you want to get rid of dark colors. You want to brighten up any. So try this with your tattoo, because this worked perfectly for me. My armpit is very light. I'm so happy. I'm grateful to God. So guys, as you can see, so it worked perfectly. Give it a go, and we're going to be applying aloe vera 100% gel. We need 1 teaspoon of it. So I'm going to be keeping this in the fridge until God finish. Then you can keep it to fridge until finish. You don't have to throw it away, or if you are not sure, you can keep it in the freezer. Just if you have like ice. So guys, this is how he looks. This is how if you have a cutting pad or anything that you're comfortable with, I love to cut this into 2 now. So you apply it every day to your tattoo, or wherever you want to light up, wherever you want to get any dark. Just apply it every day. Give it at least 14 working days and let me know what you guys you think. You can apply this as well on your face if you have acne, or if you have a dark armpit, you can use this. I use it. I'm going to make video of it. My armpit is clear, it's very dark before. Ever since I've known about this remedy, I use it for everything. If I have sunburn, acne, I use it straight away. You leave it on your tattoo at least for 1 hour and you rinse it with lukewarm water. So what I'm going to be showing you now, this is how you are going to store it in the freezer. Okay, whenever you want to use it, you just remove it here, and if you just came back from work or you are so tired, this you just apply it. Okay, you will feel the cold sensation on your skin, and this, give it a go. And please guys, have patience with this remedy. It's work, it will get rid of your tattoo. Give it a go. And we all have different skin color. Check my previous video before trying this. And those skin patches, if you have a sensitive skin, please, those skin patches within 24 hours, and no, if you get irritation, don't use it, please, or seek advice. So I'm going to be keeping this in the fridge. Okay, so you can do the same thing. I'm keeping it in the freezer. All right guys, so you can use it and keep it back, use it and keep it back until you finish the whole thing. You don't have anything to waste. Leave it in your freezer. If you don't have freezer, you have to make a small quantity and dispose it immediately, because I don't know, maybe you can store it in the fridge, but I usually store it in the freezer. Then I always look forward to use it for my skin, because when I come back from job or first thing in the morning, the shield in my face, oh, I love that coolness of it. All right, it's so lovely. Try it with ice cube. Please let me know your opinion. Let me know if this thing works for you. I want to know. Okay, so I'm going to keep this to freeze into the freezer, store it there, and it's going to look like this. Okay, so whenever you came back from your job or first thing in the morning, apply it to your tattoo, or if you have acne, any dark skin. Okay, so give this video thumbs up, click the subscribe button, share this video, because I upload video once in a week or twice. All right, so guys, thank you so much and stay blessed. Bye for now.